Welcome back everyone to Honest Try TV. Jason here, and today we bring you the ARTIBETTER Piano Slow Soft Finger Guard here. It's a piano accessory, and what we're going to do is we are going to unbox it and install it onto our piano here. You can see. Bum, ba, da, bum. There you go, and we'll test it how it actually closes up. And hopefully, so what it's supposed to do, it's supposed to prevent this keyboard cover here from slamming onto fingers pretty much. You know, we have our son, and he's been dabbling with the piano, and we just make sure it doesn't slam on his finger. So that's why we got this. Before we continue, if you're new to the channel, subscribe and like the video. It's greatly appreciated. And let's move on with the unboxing. All right, here we go. Nice little box out. Here we go. Here's the model number, made in China, accessory, piano accessory, ARTIBETTER. All right. And I got this off of Amazon, and I'll have a link down below if you want to use it yourself for your piano as well. Okay, let's keep going. Unbox. Oh, it's very... Okay, I guess that's all there is. This and... oh, it looks like double-sided tape. Yeah, okay, cool. And here is... Okay, here it is. Oh, there's already... Oh, I guess this is an extra. Oh, neat. Okay, so there's just in case they give you two. Sweet. So put that back in there. And it's simple as that. That's all there is in there. Cool. Okay, so... okay, see, so I guess you tape this down like that. And you... Oh, wow, that's pretty tough, actually. But maybe... I hope the weight of the keyboard cover is enough to drag it down. But yeah, that was rough. All right. Okay, cool. So now we got the preview of the closing there. Let's go ahead and install it onto our piano now, and hopefully it closes well. So we're going to be installing it right over here on this corner, and it's a little dirty. I'm going to have to go clean it up first. I'll go get some alcohol and just rub it out real quickly so it makes nice and clean so the adhesive sticks well. And here it is, just like that, closed. And hopefully, again, that is enough weight so the hydraulic closes nice and easy. But yeah, give me a second. I'm going to get the cleaning supplies. All right, some old-fashioned rubbing alcohol there and on some paper towel. I'm going to just dab some on there so then, you know, it adhesives really well. Clean this up right there. Oh, yeah, it was dirty for sure. Okay, and that looks good. I'll just clean up here just in case for the roller so it can roll nice and easy as well. All right, let it dry for a second. All right, it looks nice and dry now. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to find a good placement for the actual slow closer device. I'm thinking right there, somewhat near in the center-ish. So then, you know, there's enough weight from the actual piano key cover that, you know, it'll fully close it. Going off of the placement, just as a light test, you can see, I think that'd be a good idea right there. Again, there's no instructions, so I'm going off of guessing. I'm going to take off now the 3M double-sided tape here, and I'm going to hold it down for 30 seconds. That's what I'm going to do, and I hope that works. Okay, all right, let's try it out. All right, here we go. Okay, I'm going to hold it down now, 30 seconds. All right, and that is 30 Mississippis, so that should be good to go right there. It is not moving, so excellent. So now let's just give it a rough try. I'll give you the front view first, and then I'll give you a side view. So we're just gonna put the keyboard cover on and let it go. Let it do its thing. Let's see what happens. Oh, I think this got in the way. I don't know what you call this extra flap. So I guess you still have to hold the flap open like that for it to close properly. And yeah, there you go. Okay. Well, it did its job. Let's get a side view now of it. I'm going to reopen it. All right, let's get the side view action. Fold that flap over. I guess you're going to have to hold this so it can fully close, at least on my piano here. But I mean, the thing is so Z doesn't get his fingers caught on there by himself, and it looks like it does work. So that's excellent. All right, so I would say, yeah, this is a win. I would say this device is definitely a win. All right, you guys, this was the unbox and installation of the ARTIBETTER Piano Slow Soft Finger Guard at the Piano Accessories that I got off of Amazon. Again, there'll be a link down below if you like to try it out or get it for your piano as well. For kid safety, no finger slamming. If you're new to the channel and you like what you see, subscribe, like the video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.